Can't chat. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are going to Chappy Brown, bringing him a little token, of course, some grocery items, and to just check up on him and see how he's doing. Alright, please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, okay, so we're heading up.
Knock your material.
Wow.
I'm train I road.
He probably don't even realize until he put too much in the road. Yeah. I hope he's there. He has gotten a phone and him call us during the week to let us know that his phone is up and running, but we were calling him after that to check on him, and he did say where to call him whenever we're coming, so I don't know, but we never got him, so we're praying that he's there.
There, man, see spray pan there, so.
Oh.
My cut gutter.
Oh.
You know, they're far. Mama hear something knock up on your house a while ago.
Or in the bushes?
You know, they're not no bush.
You soon know, so a big padlock there on the door.
So a big jackfruit there too. Is it?
Yeah. Him probably there. You need to shout him, Marcel.
Choppy!
See?
Everybody there bush today.
I tell you.
Which party there now? How far are you there? You reach?
Yeah, I'm coming.
You have to just watch your step, you know.
Oh. Boy, look like Choppy in the gully part.
How make you choose to go over this or no? Huh?
Some gutter.
Kaka, way up the side there, no?
Where?
See me way up on the hill like that.
Oh no! How him reach up there, so?
I walk.
Oh, there's another house up there somewhere as well.
Where do?
Where my weed?
Oh. You can't see if you provide.
Right here, Marcel?
Yeah. You have to hold on to this and step over me. Come.
Okay. Oh. Man. Okay, so give me a hand here. Thank you.
Watch your bamboo them. Come.
Him really reach far though.
Yeah. You see
Choppy, yeah. How you end up so far? A good thing, me never know say so far there when you start the journey, you know.
2 days.
2 days take you for reach over here?
2 days, you know, me catch over here, you know.
Eh?
I say, boy, me get a little ease up me upon December, you know, upon the 23rd, you know. I feel young, you know.
Yeah.
And I tell you, say, I get a little get up one day and I go over there, so. And I have to go back, go relax. I couldn't take it again.
Oh.
Dream pain under my skin.
You pressure yourself too quickly.
Yeah. Long bad dream, man. You make it jerk up my head, man.
Oh, dream.
I made it drop over, I go to the man. Doctor found them, time I pay doctor medicine, you know, sir. I told him, right now, I have one portion in the house, 2 bags of medicine on me. I put 2 paper in a hit. For me go back, go refill again.
Oh.
And I send me a follow up, go take one test. You know where money I come from, you know, from in there and get one money and buy $200 worth of food. Me come in when me come in now, me have a 4 grand left back, say. Me will go a Falmouth. Because me say, me da go down a parts office, because me tell them say how it place. It cool and so forth. Me say might be can get a zinc fee. Back up, if I want a room then. But me have to spend the money buy gas.
Oh.
And then no go on this again, so me say boy me there this morning and me say boy Damien, if me see Damien me go safe, me get one money for him. You know, but he say he will check me, but me I say but things I get out of hand. So me like want to go down there, you know.
Yes.
So there I say me a spalling, so me tell doctor, say doctor, you know, say me want to go a Falmouth pan a debate, so me would have take 1 stone and kill the bird. And he say, alright, me can't do it, and write up the paper, give me.
Okay. So, because you feel better now, your company farm?
Me feel better, you know, Michelle. I don't have nobody to do it, I don't have no money, I say, boy, if you did, me was dead.
Oh, no.
So, me have to try same way.
The 6 and 1/2 does not the other.
You see it. I still say you can't kill yourself, yes. The man that say, I know myself, I kill myself with somebody else. But as me did, if me did, you know, somebody else take over it and get it. I know me. So.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you can't look upon the idea the same way because you don't know who give your life. How long you live for survive, not true?
Yeah.
Your life, man.
Yeah, I mean that. I mean that, me know that, man.
But only true, we don't know the limit we have.
Right, that me did want to say, but he kind of...
You come out one different way.
Yeah. So,
okay.
So, but you see, for... You don't know. For, alright, me tell you, so what happened to me since December, I never know say that happened to me. I tell you, say years now, me don't take so much pill now, Virgin. Yo, me go to doctor, me feel sick and go to doctor, me take medication 2-3 years and me say me can't manage it, me throw it down. But me I tell you, say me have to beat it from January.
Yeah, for the pain especially.
Yeah, and give me pain tablets. So when time I say me get tablets and I couldn't take care, me go back.
Yes.
Give me some medicine and I tell him how I sick and how I feel and put on the test me and give me some medication and since that he say come back again and me go back again. And the next paper then now if you go back again when that done. So you see me, boy, me I tell you you know easy still, but you have to still make it easy.
Can't give up.
You understand me? You have to still make it easy. You know, easy man, but yeah. Like me there this morning I say, you know, look at me tap, you know, say me hear the vehicle. And me left. When me do this one, go down and want to end this off hear me for them and I come out around this.
Oh.
So make me see if me can move to go and go see him in time, if me can back up to get one fear to go Falmouth. And I say, look, I have to go catch somebody with me. Me get one little change ready and me give one youth to pick up him all for me.
Yes.
You know, say man never want, boy, me never know what happened this or that.
In Blackie Road too.
But he never want to work here. Me don't know what I'm doing, man. And my man could have do without not take my money, you know, for they have it, you know. Could have do without not take my money. Man, him can't find any man, and him one and you know, no man pick.
I work still. My work.
But me come 2 half day and me give him $15,000. Me give him all of my money this one and
1,500.
100.
You said 15,000 for 2 half day? Or 1,500?
Me give him man, me say me 15,000 one money me have me say me have money have me say fi.
When do?
Man say $20,000 for carry up him all. No?
20,000 for carry?
20,000 man say me can't carry. And I say, boy, if me have me give me say take up it for me. And the man carry one youth come there 1 half day. A half day and go back. Half day. He come here after 9. And when he come here, you say him never come work, he come for and say, make him do little man, make him do something man. The man say me for give him $20,000, he take 4 days, 2 days carry. Him and one next man that had a 4 days and he say $5,000 a day. He say, boy, I want if you go up and I can't carry up, you know. So take it, me give me money, 15,000 me have. And I write this already. Come over this and dig one half bag of yam and me give me money. And me borrow $5,000 more for them and me give me. And me go back take $5,000 more for Monday, Saturday and he say I come carry up Monday. When me go back to him Friday about it. And I know he no come. Me send back message to them and me tell him say he say take out one me home and send him balance come. He say I come check me all now.
Oh no.
So me no know. And if he come up from half a road now me no know.
But we have a donor who called us earlier this week and him say to let you know that once you take it out of the foundation, he'll buy you 300 blocks. I believe he said 300 blocks.
Right.
Yeah, so you know, you can at least look forward to that. And we have to say thanks to the donor every time.
Man, I tell you, say God bless all who remember me and see me. And help me, brother, because boy, you never know, me don't know who help me. If I want to even stand up in front of me, I say, you did help me. You understand? So I have to give praise to them and thanks. And boy, they storeroom, God will bless them that in storeroom never empty. God know.
Absolutely.
Me tell you, man.
Yes.
See, me say. Alright, they say the man me have to do what me can do still. You know what me I want to say, me no look still and say
Yeah.
I don't know, me no action bridge there, me I get one go banana out there. Yeah, one of them young over there look like. The chap 2 days so one just start come out. But that one look like it did. It never real.
Choppy, so we bring you some stuff, you know, we bring you a little grocery. It's not a lot, but you can do something until something else happens.
Yeah, man, me give thanks for it, man.
You're more than welcome.
Yeah, man.
So how much now if you go Falmouth?
Banana there.
The banana? This one here?
You know, Papa, man.
Oh, yeah,
I look piece of yam, then I see, my brother over corner, me have in mind for asking for one banana. Poke me a check, but me not see him from over there, me a try. But them not, some did over there, you know. They no fit over there, me not think they fit, and them man did come the through there already, so me say they no fit over there.
Okay.
Come up to.
Hey, Choppy, how much you go to Falmouth? How much are you fear?
You know what I say, when me check it out. Me say $6 for
$600?
Yeah, $600 for
down here, so to Albertown?
To Albertown, go and come. Me have $4 or $4.80. I have 4 something.
To where? To Clarkstown?
Me say I must say 400.
To Clarkstown?
To Clarkstown.
So So taxi now run from Alberton straight to Falmouth?
No, when you take you go Alberton, you take one go Falmouth.
When it, so hit Marzella
Taxi run from Alberton go straight to Falmouth, you know?
Oh, okay.
Alberton.
Yeah.
You know something I tell you,
Oh, okay.
$4.
400. So that's 800.
That's like 800 more.
6, 14. $1,400 that.
Yeah.
You have to take
when I go down the number, I have to take taxi go over
the hospital.
and over by place there. And I plan now, say boy, me know that I say if I get one $5,000, me that make somebody go with me. Because they might call otherwise say me. And right now, me find it kind of combustible when we go for Falmouth.
So when you want to go?
Today.
Thursday.
So I don't know, I have to plan to go Monday, you know.
Okay.
Because you told me they want to do the work to see if me can take off this week. So we have plan to go Monday.
Alright, we're going to give you the $5,000. We don't have it now, but we will bring it, come give you.
Alright.
So you can go Monday here?
Yeah, Monday. I want to plan to go.
Yeah.
Because I make the plan Monday, me feel say me that. He said me that more get through on Monday, galang. So me say me that go down there, me I tell them about your house, me you know what they not do, or me I say if they not help me with this. And me have a surf ticket to me. Me want to show you to, you know, and me I say me want to go on the I am able program to you.
One program name? What name?
I am able.
I am able or disabled?
I am able.
I don't know that.
I disabled program, you know.
But it's name I am able.
That name I am able.
Oh, I don't know that.
Yeah.
It's new?
Yeah. I really knew, you know, about them develop on it like me. A man I say, a radio man I say, one of them politician man I say, them can't left out. No one, them affect you with everybody, so and everyone listening. But my doctor tell me say me could take you and go for halfway, you know, and get any assistant, you know.
Oh.
That's why I did go so for the house.
But you not hear back from them there, so.
Hear back from them there, so. So I go for them, so me know what help me can get because they say they have help people, man. But me really want to help still, you know, because when time I don't like
I said that.
Yes.
yeah, man, because remember saying, no, man, you own a yard, you know, man, and if you don't have nothing to eat and nothing to go and company, you know, why, you know, see nobody different from the item come, you know. Every day me call and name, you know, I say, boy, God bless you, you know, because I never come, you know. All for them, I hope I feel that where I take for January, you know where they go, you know.
Yeah.
I could fool, you know what you know. I say, you know how we go, you know.
Yeah.
I tell you, man.
Oh.
Alright, Sheldon, that town and Sheldon, I've been 2 years to go to school and I have a permanent job.
Yeah. That's your other son.
Yeah, and Ziggy out there, I do catching trade serious and something, so you can't rush a man.
Yeah.
Because when me did go on them, I feel they could something to help them see me because me all already as in I say, that's what I said though.
Yes.
So you can't rush a man and if you might talk to them and you go get upset what's that you know, so you just go them. You know, say Sheldon, if Sheldon no have if Sheldon have it, I make me have it.
Yeah.
You know. I'm telling him from 19 and him go and I go hustling, I say to him, say, Mr. Sheldon, you know, so I told you live, you have a parent, you have a look woman and a girlfriend. You told nothing like you, so you have to buy everything. So you know, say expensive. So if I a man, we kind, you know.
Yeah.
And come here, man, and he give me a change where you know, look for and he give mother and he give auntie them. And he give brother and well, I mean, I don't know brother how he do it, but
him do it.
Him do it, him have him do it.
Yeah.
Can't say nothing more. But
So,
you know, I have to go out, so I say, I find my cup of I no pa. I have to go out, so.
How we are going to look at him for? And take go on.
Choppy, we left your bag halfway out of bush, you know, because we didn't know see it so far.
How them mangoes to dry way?
No man, no mangoes.
Leave it right where the bamboo,
Yeah,
past the gutter.
But no, but not trouble till we come.
So we have to follow you go further into the bush.
And we out far out now going.
How far out you go?
No, you know I go far.
No matter the far.
Yeah.
Oh. You know, somebody can't fire, so we don't think can walk through.
Can't walk, you stand up on the road, you know.
One night.
So you say weed up this morning?
About 6 o'clock.
How days now you're out here?
About 6 o'clock, me before I this morning. And I say, so, the sun,
What's up, it? Go on to your phone.
you know,
That's all I know get you.
I want to hear the play, I'm not here. Janita,
No, you have it on you now?
You was bringing it now pick up in the bush.
Yeah, man, to pick up, I don't know, but so bushy over there, so that's it. I know that, I'm used to it, so I'm fine. You see when I buy my water boot?
You step anyway?
Yes, me no step, but sometimes I get a jerk, but we step. But you see when time you have an next shoes and brother, you have to know. And sometimes you not sit down where you step. So that's a problem. Down, quiet down. Let's have a bush, so no, but me say me can't, me not ready for you, so yet still. Oh, what is something ready for?
Never we see you walk continue on the road, go down.
Yeah. You see don't dig in thick water so when we walk, you know dig in thick.
Yeah, talk about it. I see me not see none.
One piece they supposed to there right off out here so. One piece there. One bank or so. I remember if I don't reach, I don't remember really.
Yeah, you I'll let you pass it.
No.
Yeah, keep it. No, stop, go on. Like that.
Really?
Alright, go on.
One little short piece?
I want a piece of bamboo jam.
Oh. I dig in thick over here, you know, because situation sick. I have to have one special piece of thick for dig yam. Then one for dig. Because when time my hand squeeze, it hurt me every day. That's hurt me that I can't. Must.
The bush, I don't remember what name, but they say a lot of ticks always in there.
I ticks down the man because you better see them.
I must see my cup on it.
Yeah, Maka man, you have to watch Mad Boy. I'm have, really.
Alright, your plunger.
Oh, I plunge that. I'm going to look for it, you know. Let me take the board hold 50 and the yam.
You have a piece of it? You want it?
Ready? In a gutter?
You want to drop in a gutter?
Yeah, make it on right, yeah. It on right after. If I go use you, say no, I know how it will jam. As me tell you, say, hand, like me just tell Wiley and you over there. Or white ground yard, then say me tell him about the hand. Like 3 days ago, I have to use hot water and bunny. And look how long I fall on for it.
Oh, it's still a bad idea.
I tell the man at night time, I put it on my chest. I want to find no glass for me.
What kind of glass?
It look dark glass.
Oh, yeah. No, not yet.
Now, I want the dust.
Choppy.
Dust, or kill the eye. I will see if I can jar long the yam tick then.
You have one here?
Yeah. Thanks, man. Ôm nhau.
Can I dig in stick that they are not going to shake on?
Yes, sir.
Pisa yan.
Oh, pisa. All six, sir. Let me see if I can give you a scan to deal, you know?
Tapi ada dia.
No, man, if I couldn't help myself, what you think, man? What you think? Me, I tell you, you know, see,
I think I know.
some, yeah, they might cost me, I say, me no blind.
Them say you're not blind.
They might cost me, man, you know, sometimes. All this them here, one boy tell me, say, nothing to do me, you know. Nothing to do me, I say, it's alright, man. Say, say, yo. Kaya, yo, sa cast what me fi do. Me can't, you see them people out there, man, you can't ask them to do nothing for you. And then they make a U-turn, then I look for you. Tell them about, they get them some paper for scam. And that's for them intention. And nothing more. And if you have anything, then go on with it. Tell me, I tell you. You know, say where you borrow money from me. You borrow money from the woman. And the woman come and say, I come over, I come take up 2 yams to go plant. And the one man go to you, so. And the woman say, come and call me. You see me say, I drop out the yam to them in the road. And I come take up 2 yams to go in my bag to go see me find patch out over the stuff. I say, they are growing, and I don't have, give me 5 man. Like mango tree or some of plant. He see me really call me and say, I say, go. He say, I can't dig. I want 2 hill I am for him. I say, Almighty God. See him, so I say to him, I say, God Almighty. I say, no, I can't. I go see me, I say, I can't imagine nothing, you know. I can't imagine nothing, you know. And I say, alright. I still can't say no, I still go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tell you, I still go, you know. I dig 50 pounds. Yeah, I never 100, you know, because yes, a white. Hi, Papa. Yes, I forget fertilizer, you see. Yam did forget fertilizer, and yam not get no fertilizer, you know. Half a youth. And youth from November, me take it blind here, you know. He now want food, you know. And jam some of them right we start to see bamboo today. Jam some of them thick feeling. Aye.
You want me to go to fear my yacht?
I didn't know yam. Can't do jam.
Oh, yeah, this
Better you. That's right, you know, man.
Man, give me a change, you know, miss. Man, give me 14 grand. And we some yam to see him as I see me a galam.
Peter, better you use the one down there, so.
Really? I must want to piece on them, I must say hit, man.
No, man, no.
Yeah, come.
Oh, yam.
And no, the man don't give me come with Jamie call the man say I come with the money, you know. If Jamie come with the money and the man can't come, you know. Say nothing now go on and first never.
You just make one digging stick.
Right now. Piece up there. You know what I do.
Sweet wood, that's it.
You know, it's not sweet wood. You sell it at
yeah, Choppy na yam is now.
Cassava. Not cassava, coffee, wild coffee.
Wild coffee. I don't know for them.
So they call.
For them,
Yam tea, the wild I'm cut them a bush. In time I feel it. I'm look pan and see no feather, not the pan. I know I say it. Well, all this thing now the hand no good. Boy, mash up me hair, mash up me hand, man. I say nothing still. Alright, now then say him sick mommy. So, I said nothing. Okay, I no gone nowhere. I no gone nowhere. Like say, I fight it. Yes, so it's true, he never fertilizer, you know. So they too big, they don't get no lighter, man. See it, Roger. Alright, that's... So you see.
Dry was on it too.
Yeah, alright, so when me it weed up in December now, cause for November, if you give me fertilizer, I really do one. But he never give me no fertilizer, so me go weed up in December, if I still a promise him, I'll give me lighter. I think me not get lighter, me not get none. So, alright, that's a then top.
Okay.
I say, might be me could have find him in the fish, but me not make a sudden turn. We not go find him. Oh, yeah, more going over there, so.
How much you made a plant in this year?
You plant too much?
How much you plant? Because you do 3 so far.
I want different hills.
Oh, okay. Them close.
Yeah, so I have to do them close enough. That makes sense we used to plan.
Yeah. You make use of space.
Yeah.
You can find another to hit that, you know.
Yeah, nobody got it.
I mean, I have to find out to them. I have to worry, sir. I have more bush. We have some more there, you know. Over and going over the ground.
Yeah. This stick looks like a mortar stick.
This
one I have here reminds me fine.
Oh.
I them use like mortar stick?
Then type would they make mortar stick, but this is what I always see through my car really see. That boar gum. Great. And a good yam them in the John. Yeah, good yam do one of them. Cut off it still.
That dry?
Yeah, man, that's why I accept it, if you know them. Bones, oi! Bones!
I'm going down the road.
I'm there.
You just walk down the house.
Can't you know? Something going on your finger?
Come on, I just
That's you can't make this yam cold when it cook at all.
Alright, good, you know.
Pretty though.
Look,
The hardest thing all I am there just a feeling.
yeah. You mad, man?
No. You're not mad.
Then we have to wash and cook it. Yeah, wash and cook it so.
We have to wash and cook.
It's a way you have to peel it. Peel it deep, man. Wrong. Must get as much out, yeah. Yeah, what I mean. No, that we see like hog feed and cook.
Hog feed, not true?
Yeah, cook yam so. Cut the knife. Cut it small.
Slice it and then you
Cut it, yeah. Just take time cut it. I'll cut knife crease them. and then you take time.
So they are come say a boat slice.
Yeah, but you know, if you cook them too thick,
Yeah, that's
yeah, you get so hard. The first one, this no can cut off.
No cut that now.
No, that's
That's a head.
Head. Then look on that head we make already. Was a kill 1 to 1.
Yeah, mechanic said with that.
With this and the head, this half it come from. You know.
That's why I am not.
Oh.
You cut off your head, you donkey head for liquor.
Yeah, you don't know what yam. If you plant yam, make them too big, so them be like this. Might be chunky too chunk why you see this come so.
Oh.
But this other white one never go down the dirt, because I see I said I go down the dirt. It am beer. Oh, me know how long me ready for it. Me I come back for it. I'm going to do this stick.
You what?
This stick with me I dig.
Yeah, sit there.
You don't know how long me I come back for it.
So what is?
We plant it so. Yeah, me see if me can plant up out there so first. And then, you know,
Yeah.
me can come back and boy, I'm not in this so. I'm fine here, man. Good deal.
When I fit do no more chopping.
Here I am.
Huh?
Here I am.
What is it? Is it
You know I am.
So I am. So this that.
I want me to do it. I want me to do this already. Well, let me see how I go on.
The more about that.
Let me show you how I go. Oh. Let me tell you, say, alright. I saw they behave like, you see, chewing never lies out, me tell you.
But they make a chop off now, because they're not that bush.
But then me chop them off. Now go able to plant, honey.
Now, so make them skin
Yeah, look at longer. You want to plant out, then one day we grow first. And me have a couple hill over bushes and now still. To deal with too. And then I put on nothing star. Man have it right, she no give me no harder. I know say me ain't go find no yam.
Let's run up to.
So like he likes one of them. Bonzoy!
I'm gone. Saya kali makan saya marah.
But you can't far by cover boat, you know. He said they go for one bag.
Makalaan saya mana masakan saya.
He said they go for one bag for.
Jam depan dat.
He said they go for one bag for check up some of the grass in boat.
Oh, okay.
Enough boat in over there.
What his house is here, your car?
Yeah.
Oh, you have something down here.
I'm gone on the road.
He said he know him.
That beer like renter.
You want man. Cut off it.
You still ask me if you cut off.
Yeah, go over there, go and go get Pisayam over there. Oh, one Pisayam over there now.
So we don't know nothing about yam.
Put it.
You said push off his side.
Alright. You go over there, go and go look Pisayam. Pisayam over there, me know.
I'm going which side?
Over here. You go over here. Get it down. No, it's hurt so much. You know, so me find right just something, you know, me would dig one bag of yam right just already, and then me give you out the money. Right now, then me dig in 2 rows, then never be bad. Never eat so much yam over there. And like Dr. Medicine, yeah.
Oh, you eat it?
Wow, and yam is a shame.
Yam. Because you have to take the medication.
Yeah. I say,
And the whisk on your book.
campy yam, you know. I'm a campy yam, you know. Right now, me say me never know say me like so much yam.
Oh.
God no.
Oh, But you never have nothing else, so you just eat yam.
But still yam.
Yeah, look for.
Oh, that's. Think of it, me think of it, man. So me I tell you, say,
Yeah.
tampi yam what day. Because you don't know what happen. Alright, see you banana go now. If I see if I get yam in time, I know when I come check me back now. Me.
Yeah.
You see me fine. Right.
If you not come back before.
Yeah, yeah. Me I go.
Bring him the money for Monday.
That's what I mean. Alright, what else I know? Me thought taste a little bit in there. I might be a hit make me out, you know.
Yeah?
So I said to Kate, I say, hey.
But I saw a chop leaf and a young banana.
And a young banana, I throw all the chunk, the red piece you see in there. So I said to Kate, say, you know, say, when me come in the morning, I say, you know, say, I'm Michelle medicine, make me out here.
Yeah.
But me, I take a pill all along and me I drink sauce of tea, see, and I say then, me not make no change. And me tell him, say, yo, say, me taste this yesterday morning or this morning, and me say, yo, me feel different.
Yeah. I'm a Choppy advice.
Eh?
Choppy.
Oh,
You know the Choppy?
Topsy. No.
Okay.
And me say, you make me feel a little more like me can move, you know. So here you are.
Over that. Oh, you can come over.
And me put them in and me come over.
You want me to take the banana from you?
You say you left something else, alright?
Yeah, me see it.
So yeah, okay.
Oh, myself, we take the long way because to the house right there.
Yeah, but
Oh, no walk long so?
Yeah, we
think I
got
don't
through.
lady.
So
Oh, okay. Cockroach.
Yep.
I leave me and drunk. I leave me and drunk go through.
Yeah, it's brown.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. We just got this morning.
Nothing wrong, man. No wrong.
Pour with the pan.
Yeah. I know somebody passing.
Only you know now.
Aye. Indeed, you know. You don't have to know that. Yeah, maybe I see him know that. I have too much thing for you.
Yes, sir.
I say, hear me. If Selena come and I get piece of jackfruit.
Wow.
I say, but he walk me, if he come out alone, me drop it, so I even know, say, me ask me if I toilet me catch.
Because it's so
Outside toilet, so, me ask me if I do me catch. If I outside toilet.
it's big.
He say, yes, but when me push him a sheet, he feel on the wall. He feel say wall me depend, so me say. What me feel, go look more. Yeah.
What?
That's alright for you now.
Yes, what you mean? No, don't go back out there.
One hand pan is supposed to kind of cook, you know.
Almost that one day.
Yeah, one of them. One hand pan is supposed to kind of cook. I see, like, you know, for sure.
You leave off my finger there, man.
Alright, me take off.
See
Me
it
take off your supposed to.
Yeah, your hand on it now.
The good thing, you can't feel things.
Straight up, straight down. That make a mess of that.
Chop somebody and get the same way. Try not come in for me, but me have to chop. That's true.
You know, come in for you, make you have to do no chopping.
Chopping. And I think down to this, it looks like you can cook, not true? Them one are sick.
Them small.
Yeah, so some find when come down yesterday. The one look like you can work too. When we drive down yesterday, I said, but he's sick, man. Not too bad.
Yeah.
No, can I get something out of them?
Yeah. Good, thank you very much.
And then chop up a piece and cook in some water and put it on make it in the cold and chill on bucket.
Oh, okay. So your bag here, you know?
Yeah.
Empty it?
I'm not going.
So part of it did a spoil, don't you?
Yeah. I want next one for the one, then like, if you want a piece of it, you see, you can pay, I'm Eastern, but that's why.
Yes, thank you very much.
One house.
Very nice?
Yeah.
Well, at least I find it now. Here.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah. What you want now to put them in?
Just this bag.
The same bag, right? Yeah.
You love jackfruit, Choppy?
No, sir, you see a little piece of meat. One time, but me can't try. Me can't try how me da want try. So it take me too long to try because my teeth not so good.
Okay.
But a good jackfruit for you say jackfruit good for cancer and anything.
You said jackfruut good for cancer?
I'm a cancer, yeah. You know, say, a long time I jackfruit, I have a cousin named Duan. I got a bush of one mull meat in it. Like eat one, and me upon one. It's a big tree, them be over there, over a bush over so. Be some jackfruit. I go a cane piece over some 25 cane, you know, man. Before I come out, I cane piece and belt, you know.
Yeah. 25, what is that?
25 cane, you know. 25 chi-chi, you know.
25 maga cane.
Yeah, and some maga man and sweet like a sugar lemon month, March. 25 when I bilge before I come out, I cane piece, man. Sit down for your body flat now.
So that's a half of one jackfruit for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh boy.
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, thank you, Choppy.
Yes,
I appreciate it.
thank
You have
you.
good time in.
Yes, yeah, man, thanks, go on.
Go on. You fit take a lead at your place.
I know that, but like me go down so me always use my stick, but she really fall. I go, me say me cut it back, get it back and put it in our trash. For me, no when I come.
Yeah.
So, but me never see pork here. Pork me never get a nice banana. Banana there, but you know, they say they no fit. So me,
Okay.
I don't know.
That's alright, no worry, man. I'm more than grateful for this.
Alright, give thanks. Yeah.
Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you for your continued support.
Yeah.
Until next time.
Yeah. Yeah.
I said love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
I said love, man. Thanks for everything, man. Thanks for life. Thanks for who was sent. Thanks to give them God, give them life. God give strength and energy.
Yeah.